So how can you, as a web developer, solve the unnecessary render problem and improve performance in React? This is a question that you might be asked in an interview, and I'm trying here to solve it or explain it to you in, let's say, baby jargon or a 5-year-old jargon that you can actually understand and see how it works with the code. So I created this parent component over here, plus the child component that actually have the count as a prop, and whenever you click here, it increments, and for sure it renders the child component over here. But there is another thing to it, and the problem is that if you type in this input that is in the parent component, we expect from you to actually not to render the child component, and this is the problem actually we are trying to solve here. How can we solve this? There is two things actually you need to keep in mind. One of them is being the use of hooks, which is here we are using a callback. What use callback actually do is very cool because it avoids passing new functions to the child component each time it re-renders, which means that you just give it a reference, which means this increment count here, if you pass it as a prop, means it's a reference to this function, which means that reference never updates. It's actually there stored in memory. Therefore, you can use it whenever you want without actually heavy computations or without rendering the whole thing, right? But to solve the child component behavior and how it should not render when we input anything, we need to use the React. Actually, this is called react.memo. And to be honest, it's kind of like it does the same thing. It just throws this component into the memory and says, I want it only to renders when the onClick or the count updates. Otherwise, if nothing in it should update, then I shouldn't re-render the component. And therefore, that's it. Actually, it's as simple as that. Now, if we check the code one more time and we try to refresh, basically, if you put anything, as you see, we are not re-rendering the child component. And if you want to see that in more details, as you see right now, there is nothing in the console. And that's it. If you have any questions, please ask. And yeah, I'm trying to actually solve more problems about React and share with you my knowledge. And yeah, we are reaching 2K subscribers or followers on TikTok. Hopefully we get more. So do that and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.